Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at Problem 2 from the Chapter 2 Review Exercises of College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, for this problem, we need to find the X-Intercept and the Y-Intercept without graphing. Let's review. The X-Intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. And so it will have the ordered pair of the x value and 0. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. And so it will have an ordered pair of 0 and the y value. Let's start with the x-intercept. Okay, so our first step is to set y equal to 0. So we are going to have 2 times 0 minus 4 is equal to 3 times x. So here we set y equal to 0. Okay, now let's simplify this. 2 times 0 is 0, and so we have minus 4 is equal to 3x. Okay, now we need to divide both sides by 3. Minus 4/3 is 3x over 3. So divide both sides by 3. And then we can simplify, and we get minus 4/3 is equal to x. And so our x-intercept happens when x is minus 4/3 and the ordered pair is minus 4/3 and 0. Okay, now for the y-intercept. Okay, this time we're going to set x equal to 0. All right, so we're going to have 2y minus 4, is going to be equal to 3 times 0. Okay, so we set x equal to 0. Okay, we can simplify this, and we're going to have 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So that is simplify. All right, and so now we can add 4 to both sides. So 2y minus 4 is 0. Let's add 4 and add 4. We get 2y. The minus 4 and plus 4 cancel each other out, and we get equals 4. Okay, now we divide, so let's put add 4 to both sides. Now we have to divide both sides by 2. So 2y over 2 is equal to 4 over 2. So divide both sides by 2. Okay, next we simplify, and so we will have y is equal to 4 over 2, which is just 2. Okay, and so what this gives us is that the y-intercept happens when y is equal to 2, and so it has the ordered pair of x is 0 and y is 2. Okay, that does it for that problem. I hope you found that helpful and that you enjoyed seeing the process, and I will see you in the next one.